count the occurrences of a particular value or character within a string. So we've got the string values here. This is what we're looking for within the substring, going under extensions app script. And this is where we're going to create our custom function. So start by creating the function, and we want to count the substring values. And we're going to require two parameters. So we need the string, and then we need also the substring. And those are the two parameters that we're going to use. We need to have a counter value, so we just set a value of count to 0 when we enter in the function. And we want to get the string position of a particular value. So let's set that as well, where we're setting the position and the value of the string. And then using the index of function, we're going to look for the substring value within there. And if it is there, then it's going to return back a value of whatever the number of the index is. And then we continue to loop through while the value of position is not equal to -1. And if it is equal to -1, then we're just going to simply end our loop. So here we're going to count +1, and that will increment the count and then update the value of POS. We're taking the string and index of value, and this is where we're using the substring, and then the position +1. And then what we want to do is return back the count. And I'll go over the formula a little bit more detail. So right now we'll just apply the formula, where we'll take the formula and bring it into the output area. So that's where we're going to output the results. Then the formula bar equal sign. And then we need to add in the two parameters. So the first parameter is going to be the string value, and then comma separated out by the character that we're looking for. So the result here is that we returned a value of L. So there's 3 returns on that. And here we've got 0. Here we've got script is once occurring in there. In Mississippi, the 2 S's is twice, and in banana, it's 3. So what we're doing here is we're using index value, index of, for the substring within the string. If it's not found, then it returns back a -1. If it is found, then it's going to return back the position value. And if there is a position value, we increment the count +1. So that's going to have our counter of the occurrences, and then we pass that position back in using the index value and increment the position by 1 until we end up with ending the loop, and then that's going to return back the final count value.